Hello guys, welcome back to our channel How to Guide. In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys on how you can browse movies by categories in Tubi. So guys, if you want to browse by categories like genre, then just go ahead and tap on the top right corner button where you can see Tubi, and right next to it you can see browse. Just go ahead and tap there, and now you'll see these options. And now you can either browse them through the popularity or the featured ones, most popular, recently added, genres. So if you're into action, then just go ahead and tap on action. If you're a big fan of anime, you can also do that. If you prefer crime documentaries, just go ahead and tap on Crime TV. You have certain collections, networks to continue watching. So these are the categories. Just go ahead and select the ones that you would prefer, and in this way you can successfully be able to browse movies by category in Tubi. Hope this video was helpful for you. If you found this video helpful, please leave us a like and drop us a comment down below. And if you want more helpful videos like these, then please subscribe to our channel. We'll see you again next time. Thank you for watching.